One of the best-selling black seed oils that you can buy today on Amazon claims to contain 100 milligrams of its most important ingredient. Independent testing found it actually has only 41.8 milligrams, less than half of what you're actually paying for. Another brand claimed to have 20 milligrams. It actually had 13.3 milligrams. And even worse, both of the oils were very close to going off, nearly rancid. And these aren't unknown brands either. These are products people are buying right now. Today I'm going to tell you which products failed, which ones passed, and what to look for so you don't waste your money. Everything in black seed oil comes down to one compound, Thymoquinone. That's the active ingredient. Without enough of it, you're basically just buying expensive oil. And the gap between these products isn't small. The weakest product tested had just 2.7 milligrams of the active ingredient per serving. The strongest product, 77.5 milligrams per serving. That's nearly 30 times more active ingredient in one product than the other. Same type of product, but a completely different story inside the bottle. You cannot tell from the price, and definitely cannot tell just by looking at the bottle. So is black seed oil even worth taking in the first place? There is decent evidence behind it. Studies suggest that it may modestly lower your blood sugar, your blood pressure, and your cholesterol. There's also research of benefits for inflammation and immune function. Some people use it in their hair, and some people swear by its benefits to improve your skin. That's if you're getting a product that actually contains what it claims. That's where things get interesting. An independent organization called Consumer Lab went out and bought 7 of the most popular black seed oil supplements and had them tested properly. 5 of the 7 passed. Prime Natural actually exceeded the label claim, 77.5 milligrams when the label said it would have 50 milligrams. Life Extension passed and was named the top pick. Swanson, Triquetra, and Zoo all passed. And then there was the 2 that didn't. Marju Superfoods listed 100 milligrams of Thymoquinone, and it was found to just have 41.8 milligrams, less than half of what's on the label. Amazing Herbs listed 20 milligrams, and it was found to have only 13.3 milligrams. Going back to the rancid issue that I mentioned at the start of this video, both of the bottled oils tested came in just below the limit that indicates spoilage. They technically passed, but oil that's so close to rancid doesn't just taste bad, it's gonna smell bad, and it would make me wonder if it's even doing anything at all. And also, if you're putting it in your hair and on your skin, you don't want to smell like rancid oil. One more thing worth knowing, the most expensive products weren't the ones that passed. You can actually be spending more and getting less. So what should you actually look for when you're buying black seed oil? First is the Thymoquinone content. It should be on the label. Some products don't list it at all. No disclosure means no way to verify what you're getting. That's a red flag straight away. Second is standardized extracts over cold pressed oil. Extracts are more concentrated and they tend to deliver more Thymoquinone per serving. Third is to ignore the price. The testing proved that the price means nothing, so don't use that as a guide. I've gone through the results and I've put together a list of products that I'd actually consider buying. The link is in the description if you need a starting point. Black seed oil isn't the only supplement where this is happening though. One thing I'm learning about this whole supplement industry is that new products are making it to market every single day without containing what they claim to. The best protection you have is knowing what to look for and knowing which brands have actually been put to the test. If you want to see me check out another supplement where you might not be getting what you think you're getting, check out this video next. So with that being said, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.